Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be trying to make some hot chocolate, and this is going to be like a super peppermint hot chocolate. I've actually never used this recipe before, but I kind of combined different kinds of that I've tried, and we're going to see how it tastes. Hello everybody. I got this super cute mug with a lid for Christmas from a friend. And then this is like a hot chocolate tray that my mom has set out. So we're gonna need some hot chocolate mix. You're gonna need any kind of toppings. We have these like swirl sticks too, but I'm actually not gonna use these for the recipe. We have some holiday this. Basically, I'm gonna make what I'm calling a super peppermint hot chocolate. So I said that one of my favorite things is getting hot chocolate with peppermint, so let's see if we can do this. So if you look in here, you'll see that there's little shards of coffee in there, little coffee grounds. So we're just going to rinse that out. Okay, so now we have one with less coffee grounds, and it's like a full cup now. So we're just going to go ahead and mix some hot chocolate in, and then we'll get super chocolatey. I think this is like a 2 tablespoon scoop, and I'm just going to do 2 of these overflowing. I'm actually going to add a little bit more because I did do like 2 cups. I should have just done 1 large cup, but instead I accidentally did 2 small cups. So the good news is it should start to mix while we do it. This is some pure mint extract. So I'm just going to use the spoon to measure this. Use almost a full spoonful, and you can tell as soon as you put the mint in there, it like dissipates and goes completely brown. You want to make sure you mix that in. So then in this cup, I'm going to make sure I got all the water out from washing it. I'm going to set the hot chocolate aside, set the mint aside. And then we're going to get some ice cream. And you're just going to put 1 scoop of ice cream in the bowl. So I'm just going to get 1. Actually, because these are like pretty small, I'm going to do it so it's like a full scoop of ice cream. Okay, so as you can tell, that's going to like melt as soon as you put it in. But basically, we're going to go ahead and prepare our toppings so that we're ready to go. Hershey Kiss that I want to do. I'm going to put that on top of the peppermint whipped topping. Got some peppermint shards. And there's some peppermint marshmallows, but because I'm doing so much other stuff, I think I'm just going to eat one of these. Like it's delicious. I'm just going to gently pick it up. I'm going to lay it on this paper towel so I don't spill it everywhere. And in the cup you can already see the ice cream's kind of melting. Perfect amount of hot chocolate. There's a little bit of mix still left in here, so I'll just scoop that out. Okay, And I'm gonna sprinkle some of these. We'll put a couple more on top, but let me show you what it looks like in there right now. So you've got your big blocks of ice cream. I'm actually not gonna mix that at all. I'm just gonna let it melt. So now I'm gonna take this peppermint. I'm gonna sprinkle some more of these peppermint shards. And to finish it off, just gonna stick one of these right in the center. So that is what it looks like, and that chocolate is gonna melt. So while I clean up, I'm just gonna put my lid. You can already see it falling in. Let's clean up for a second. I'm just gonna, looks delicious. I can see that everything's kind of melted already. So good. Oh my goodness. It's so pepperminty. I love it. So I think I'm just gonna enjoy this, maybe watch some YouTube, and I will let you know when I finished. Let's clean up for a second.